Hello, hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see how you can upload your project on GitHub, and you can also share that project with anyone out there. The only thing you need is just a GitHub account. So without any, let's get started. First of all, I assume that you have already signed up your GitHub account. If you have not, you can go and sign up. Just sign up, you can simply sign in your account. So it requires your email and password. So here you can see I have just signed in my GitHub account. After sign in your GitHub account, you only need to click on the plus sign, click new repository. Here you can write whatever the name of your project. For example, I just writing here GitHub project 2023. If you are going to write your description about your project, and this will automatically appear on your readme file of your project. So for example, I have just written a static website with HTML CSS code, and can make your project as a public or a private. It depends on you. For example, if you are going to make it public, anyone on the internet can see the repository. You choose who can commit, and also when you are going to choose who can see and commit this repository, you can set the private. A readme file is a file which describes your project. I will show you in a moment that where this readme file appears. Okay, now click on the create repository button. Here is the readme file. I already told you that the description which you are going to write, that will be appear here in the readme file. And now we are going to upload now our project files in this newly created repository. There are two options. First one is create a new file, upload your all files. So you need to choose your files from your PC and upload all the files inside the folder. From there, you just need to write the message what these files include. For example, you just need to commit. Finally, we have finished our project uploading on GitHub repository. You can see we have uploaded two files, index.html and image. So yeah, thank you for watching my YouTube video, and make sure to subscribe to Codeinstant YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.